Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create a Google Ads Manager account. Alright, let's begin. First, go to the Google Ads homepage. Scroll to the bottom underneath Advanced Campaigns and find the Manager Account option. Under the Accomplish More with Helpful Tools section, next, you will need to enter a test name for your account. After that, you'll be asked if you will be managing other people's accounts. If you're an advertising agency or an e-commerce business with multiple accounts, select that option. Once your account is set up, you will be able to manage multiple accounts under one manager account. For example, in EasySEM's test account, we have 4 accounts under one manager account. This makes it easy to monitor performance across all accounts, adjust columns, track conversions, and more. This is especially useful for managing multiple clients or using monthly invoicing for your accounts. With a manager account, you can also create detailed reports to view and compare performance between accounts. So that's basically how you can create a Google Ads Manager account. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.